Hi friends, thank you very much for liking and sharing our YouTube channel. One of viewer is demanding the proof of 1 ton of refrigeration into 3.5 kilowatt. How will get 3.51 kilowatt from 1 ton of refrigeration? Let us discuss that thing. We know 1 ton of refrigeration is the amount of heat required to be extracted from 1 ton of water at 0 degree Celsius to ice at 0 degree Celsius in 24 hours. That means temperature remains constant, and will maintain the temperature 0 degree Celsius constant, and will convert the phase from water to ice during 24 hours. So this is the meaning of 1 ton of refrigeration. So for better clarification, let us take a room, put 1 ton of ice in it. So this is the system, this is the ice. This room is a closed space. Now allow this ice for uniform melting in 24 hours. So how it will melt? Now it will take the latent heat from the room. It will take the latent heat from the room and it will melt. So during 24 hours we will feel the cooling effect, that is nothing but refrigeration effect. So this ice, the temperature of ice is 0 degree Celsius and the temperature of this water is 0 degree Celsius. Phase change occurs. Don't give any sensible heat. It is about latent heat. We know sensible heat is nothing but heat. When we will give the heat to a body, it will absorb and it will raise the temperature. That is sensible heat. But latent heat, phase change occurs at constant temperature. Water to ice or ice to water, or water to steam or steam to water, that is nothing but latent heat. Again, sensible heat we know that is nothing but mCp delta T, but here we can't apply this formula because delta T is 0. So for finding out total latent heat, we will take the formula m into L, mass of that substance into latent heat of that substance per kg, m into L. This is the formula. So let us find out. We know latent heat of ice is 335 kilojoule per kg. First take the metric unit. We know 1 ton is approximately equal to 1000 kg in metric unit. So what is the heat required? That is m into L. So m is 1000 kg and latent heat of ice is 335 kilojoule in 24 hours. So if you will convert this one into minute, so divide 24 into 60. So we will get 232 per 6 kilojoule per minute. Again, if we will get second here, then again divide 60. So approximately we will get 3.8 kilowatt. 1 ton of refrigeration now converted to 3.8 kilowatt. This is the metric unit. But in actual practice, we are taking this value is 210 kilojoule per minute. How will get? Now this is derived from the US ton. We know 1 US ton is 907 kg. So this is the 907 kg. Instead of taking 1000 kg in metric unit, we are taking 1000 kg. 1 ton is 1000 kg. Instead of taking 1000 kg, if we will take 907 kg, then we will get 3.5 kilowatt. So this mass is nothing but 907 kg. Latent heat of ice is 335 kilojoule per kg in 24 hours. Now convert this one into second. So 24 into 60 into 60, you will get 3.51 kilowatt. So this is 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 3.51 kilowatt. This is the actual value. We are using